Hello everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you how to find IP address and subnet mask in Windows so you can easily check your network details for troubleshooting or setup purposes. Now let's get started. Step 1, click the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen and select Settings, which is the gear icon. The Settings window is where you manage system and network configurations in Windows. This is the starting point for accessing your network information. Step 2. Inside the Settings window, click on Network and Internet to open your network settings. This section controls Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and other connection options. It also provides detailed information about your current network status. Step 3, on the left sidebar, click on your connection type, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet, depending on how your computer is connected. Selecting the correct connection ensures you view the right network details. This is important because each connection has its own IP address. Step 4, click on the name of your connected network, for example, Home Wi-Fi. This opens a detailed page showing properties and technical information about that specific network. Make sure you select the active network you are currently using. Step 5, scroll down to the Properties section at the bottom of the page. Here, you will see your IPv4 address listed as the IP address and the IPv4 subnet prefix, which represents your subnet mask. These details are essential for configuring routers, troubleshooting network issues, or setting up devices. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech tutorials.